Hi, I'm Manna. Spain's fires continue. I want a kind, low-impact weekend. I tried the EU EFFIS maps. They help. I check where vegetation burned. Burnt area locator draws clean polygons with dates. If my route sits inside, I choose a nearby loop outside. Zoomed out risk pattern. Not flames, just where pressure repeats. Handy for picking calmer regions. Tomorrow's danger. FWI. If inland is high and coast moderate, I time trips for cooler spots. Fragile ecosystems glow. When routes tie, I avoid the bright cells. "30-day weather tension. If the map's been hot for weeks, I go shorter and earlier." Thermal anomaly danger flags hot roadside corridors. If a mirador lights up, I start on foot from town. My flow. Burnt areas equals where. Thermal or active danger equals access. Fire danger equals timing. Ecological vulnerability breaks ties. I send one EFFIS map with legend and today's date. Valley resting. Oak Loop outside the burn. Meet 0810 in town. Same friends. Softer footprint. Have you used EFFIS? How do you think of it? Do you have any tips for me to plan the next trip?